Butthole dog. Oh, there's a race bike. Junk vehicles. And more clouds. There you go. But no wind. Well, the dust is quit. Rain down there got real wet and muddy. Let's see if we run again tomorrow. Hopefully it dried out. It rained here, but it dried out instantly. Well, here you go. We got a lot of clouds going through. Then a little rain dribbles. There's the kind of weather we have up here at El Mirage. Looks like crap over there, and this side over here, it's sunny. Nice and dark. There's rain over there, but it looks like it's bypassing. Got cloud formation, clouds are going different directions. That's the sun reflecting off the clouds in one layer. There. Raining on that side of the bed. Dust. I covered the bike up a little bit. We'll see how dust free is tomorrow. Probably not much. But, oh well. A little dirt in the motor never hurt anything, did it? All I know is I'm not going to try to put together this weather. So, there you go. Just missed all the big lightning we just had over here. So, bouncing over, surrounded by rainstorms. Got a nice pretty blue over there. Look how bright that looks, just like my bike. Look at that. Got the bike all back together, so it doesn't matter if it gets wet between the dust storms and the rain. It's been raining off and on. The other lake bed's flooded, and there's people stuck in the mud down there. So, call to meet. Go home. Get the hell out of here. Don't go that way. Go that way, the dry way. So there's the clear part. It's raining over there. See it coming down. They got hail down the other end of the lake bed. We had a lot of rain. Look out, weed whackers coming. It's the kind of stuff to get deal with around here. So we will be going that way through that storm over there, I'm guessing. Whoa. So yeah, anyway, there's what the lake bed looks like. At least the wind calmed down. We only got a couple more hours, so it's just nice and cool right now. Hot day. My run was at 90 degrees, so those new letters I got are horrible. They're lined, and geez, I was getting heat frustration from heat. I drank half a gallon of water instantly. That was a bright one back there. It's really going pretty good back there right now. Probably the way we're going to go. All right, we'll get all these vehicles loaded up and get out of here. So, sayonara until next month.